Hello guys, this is Saad and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be telling you how to fix two-finger scroll not working on your Windows 11. So there can be many reasons why your two-finger scroll may not be working. So first of all, you'll have to check if it's enabled in your settings. To do so, just go to your search and then type in settings over here and hit enter on your keyboard. So guys, now you'll have to click on Bluetooth and devices over here, and now you'll have to scroll down and click on touchpad over here, and now you'll have to click on scroll and zoom over here. So as you can see this option over here which says drag two fingers to scroll down, you'll have to make sure this option is checked over here. And this could actually, if this box was unchecked for you, so this could actually fix your problem by just checking this box over here. So if it's still not working, what you can do is that you can go to search and then type in task manager over here. Over here you'll have to scroll down and find Windows Explorer. So after you find Windows Explorer, what you'll have to do is that you'll have to right click on it and then you'll have to click on restart. So this should fix your problem. And if it still didn't fix your problem, you can restart your PC or laptop and see if it works or not. So if it still not works, then you may have to reinstall the driver of your touchpad. To do so, just go to your search and then you'll have to type in device manager over here. Hit enter on your keyboard. Now you'll see this option over here which says mice and other pointing devices. You can see your touchpad over here, and if you see more than one device over here, then you'll have to identify which is your touchpad. So for me, I only have one device, which means this is my touchpad over here. So first of all, you'll have to right click on it and then you'll have to go to properties. Over here you'll have to click on the driver and then you'll have to click on update driver over here, and then you'll have to click on search automatically for drivers, and for me it says the best drivers are already installed. If this didn't do anything, what you can do is that you can just disable the device once and then enable it again. Click on yes and then enable it again. So after that, what you can do is that you can just click on uninstall device. You can uninstall it, and then you'll have to click over here which says scan for hardware changes. Click on it, and now as you can see the device is back over here, and now you'll have to restart the computer and this should fix your problem. So now you'll have to just go to your search and then restart your PC, and this should fix your problem from here. I hope this video would have helped you, and for more similar videos like this you can subscribe to my channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, peace out.